Hey guys, it's Ron from MyHeroDesign.com. Today I'm very excited to share a few things with you. The main thing being Timer Boss. It's being released today at 11 a.m. and there's a 2-hour coupon code which will get you $7 off on that. It's in the email that you received. So that's the first thing, just so you know about that. I want to show you a little bit about why I like this product so much. The interface is all online. You can create these amazing countdowns that you can put inside of your email, on a website, and even on any other site that you want. You can overlay it on top of Google or any other website that you want and share that with a countdown timer. I want to show you quickly how amazing this is. You have a normal timer, which will just count down to a particular time, like a real set date and time. You have an evergreen timer, which means that the timer will reload, but it's based on IP, not browser. So if somebody goes from Chrome to Firefox or something, the timer will be the same. You also have a looping timer where you can have a countdown for an hour, and then after that hour, it'll just start over again. So you have a lot of versatility here. Probably the most common one is a normal timer. A lot of people are using the Evergreen as well. And you'll see some products on JVZoo or something where every time you get to the page, it seems like that timer is going. And it's using one of these two here, a looping one or an evergreen. So I'm going to start with a normal timer. I'm going to give it a name. Here you can select your date and your time zone. Click Next. Now this is what I really like, because this is what separates not only the IP-based browser and the email functionality, but this is really what's separating this product from anything else. So here we have 75 different templates that you can choose for your countdown. You also have some with text built in, which is very handy. And because it's all embedded into the image that it creates, especially for emails. All right. You would just put in additional info. You can choose what style of template you want here. There's also retargeting, so you can add a Facebook retargeting pixel for that. You can add an exit pop-up and sales buttons, and I know that they're just continuously adding to this. So that's all very exciting. And then when you click on Next, you can also add a custom image. And then if you want the user to go to a different page than the one initially set, once the campaign ends, you can even change the link here so that once the timer is expired, you can direct them to a new link. And so here you can see the regular default kind of timer. And what I want to do is I want to edit that and make the template a little kind of flashier. Alright, so maybe I'll do event ends in. I'll select this template and click save. And once we do that, you'll see we have this beautiful template ready to go. We can paste that right in here using this code. And what's really amazing is that you can embed it right into your autoresponder emails or a regular email. If you have the source code there, it's very straightforward, where you can just go in and paste in that code and you're done. And you can see here that this timer is showing up inside the email. This is another one that I built earlier, and it also redirects to the page, okay, when they click on it. So very powerful. Scarcity, like it or not, it's a very powerful tool. Pretty much everybody is using it in one way or another. So the Timer Boss in my opinion, is the industry standard. It's really amazing, and it's a one-time cost, and it comes with a 2-hour window where you get another $7 off using the coupon code, and so that alone there is another example of scarcity. I also want to take you over here. David gave me this custom page with a few bonuses here, and it's more than a few. And the thing is that this information here is not fluff. Okay, this is information from a seasoned marketing expert. I don't know if you know this guy David or not, David Eisner, but he is an authority in marketing, and he's a guy that I look up to and pay attention to what he puts out and what he's doing. And these training sessions and PDFs all come from live training events or interviews with some of the smartest people and most successful people. Russell Brunson from ClickFunnels. These are nuggets of information that'll take your marketing efforts to the next level pretty much overnight, because the info there is just incredible. And a lot of it is audio so that you can just throw it into your phone and listen. You can play it in your car on your way to work and just absorb that information. All right. On top of that, I want to show you a product called Resocially. I have been lucky enough to give you guys access to that as a bonus. Now, what is Resocially? This is a really cool product because it's all online like TimerBoss, and I should mention TimerBoss also comes with a WordPress plugin. So if you don't want to use the online hosted version, you can host it yourself on WordPress and have the same functionality. So you have a lot of versatility there. What Resocially does is it allows you, without adding any info to the page, you can add Facebook retargeting to any page, even if you don't own that page. For example, this bonus page that David gave me, it's on his website, you see? So I can't do anything with that. I can't put any pixel code in there because it's not my site. And so what if I wanted to retarget people that visited my bonus page? Usually I'd be out of luck. But with Resocially, all I have to do is get my pixel code from Facebook. Audience pixel is very easy to get from your Facebook dashboard. You just copy the pixel code, paste it in here. You can also do perfect audience and ad roll retargeting. And you just give the campaign a name. You put in the website that you want it to show, and you choose the cloaking domain. Alright, so that it's going to be run on another domain, and it's going to include your pixel code, and you can even add your own custom domain to that so that you can have all of your retargeting done on your domain. And you can, put an Amazon link here. You can put an article from CNN. It really doesn't matter, whatever you want to put there, and then you can retarget the people that view that. So for example, if you're selling something related to politics, and you have an article about the election coming up here, you can put the article link here and then share it on Facebook or Twitter or your email list, and then they will be added to this audience automatically. So what does that mean? It means that I get this link now, and if I paste it in here in my browser, check that out. I've got my bonus page here, and anybody that clicks on this link and now views this is going to be retargeted. And so you can just see how powerful that is, because now you don't have to use your own website pages to do that or create a lead page. You can use literally any website on the internet and retarget people by that and by interest and all of that. So I'm going to be able to offer that today as a bonus to anyone that gets TimerBoss through our link. You also get, and that's a lifetime online access to that program. You also get the bonuses on this page, and you also get what is the best software for timers on the market, in my opinion. Definitely worth investing in. And if you can, get in at the early bird price with the coupon code and save another $7. So after your purchase, all you have to do is reply to this email with your receipt, and we'll go ahead and create your account over at ReSocially. And so you can start retargeting people with any link. You can email us also just for questions and comments and feedback at support@myherodesign.com. And I want to thank you as always for your support.